So I'll be showing you how to reject incoming calls using messages on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So whenever you have an incoming call like this, to reject, instead of just pressing the reject button, which is that red button, you can reject with a message. So tap on send message, and then you'll see you can choose from one of these pre-made text messages, and then you can tap on a message you want to send, and that message is going to be sent and the incoming call rejected. So you can actually prepare your own custom messages that you can use to reject incoming calls. And to do that, go to the Galaxy Wearable app. And on the Galaxy Wearable app, go to band settings. Under band settings, go to general, and then you should see reject calls with messages. And then you can prepare some messages you might want to use when rejecting incoming calls. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.